Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox ACER XV0 series. The model name is 27 inches XV270. It is a full HD monitor here, and as you can see, it has a lot of features. For example, it supports AMD Radeon FreeSync. This is also GSync compatible. It uses an IPS panel, and it comes with 144 Hz, but it claims to overclock to 165 Hz refresh rate, and it has a 0.5 millisecond response time. Supports HDR10, and it comes with sRGB color gradient. Aside from that, there's nothing else on the box. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Very well protected here. You can set the box aside. As you can see here at the user guide, this is the warranty. This comes with 3 years warranty, and it comes with one HDMI cable, and also comes with DisplayPort cable, which is a nice touch because usually they only come with one HDMI, but this one also comes with this cable, so it will be useful if you want to use GSync. One power cable here without the brick, so which is very good. I guess the power supply unit is built inside the monitor. Here is the base in round shape, pretty heavy to support the 27-inch weight. Red color accent here. Alright. And here is the arm, monitor arm here, which is height adjustable, support ACER, and also support some tilt, which is good. And finally, we have the panel inside here. So as you can see, it comes with two bottom firing speaker here, which is cool. One power connector, two HDMI, one DisplayPort, and audio out. Your user control here, as you can see here, some venting here. The ACER logo is right here, and here is how it looks at the front. Very slim bezel. Only the logo at the bottom. So all in all, you have this base here, the monitor arm, the HDMI cable, DisplayPort cable, and the power connector, and some user manuals. Let's start with assembling this base with this monitor arm. So all you have to do is to just put this down. That's it. Yeah, put this downwards, and then you can screw it with just your hand. And then fasten this thing, and here is your base here. So the interesting thing is that this thing is actually helping it to change the direction of the monitor panel. So the whole base plate actually turns with it. Interesting. And last but not least, you just need to connect your monitor arm with the monitor, like so, and now it's fixed in place. So that's it. So here is the Nitro XV270. I have it done installing, and as you can see, the color looks very good. Here's the color versus my old S2415H from Dell. I know you shouldn't be comparing these two, but I just want to show you the improvement that I got. And actually, I don't understand why ACER website has these two USB port here, but in fact for this model you don't have it.
So yeah, so you better fix this. And actually this monitor has swivel, pivot, also tilting and height adjustment, but as you can see this is the maximum height already, so it's actually not as tall as I thought, but yeah, but just okay for me. But I would hope it's actually taller. And it supports HDR, GSync compatible, and as you can see here it's currently in HDR mode. There's actually black boost, but if you can see properly, the black color is actually way nicer than the one on the Dell S2415. So here is the interface. You can change the color, you can set your sRGB mode as well. There's outdoor here, gaming here. As you can see, it also supports FreeSync. It's the OSD, the system and everything. So the display port is actually display port 1.2 and the HDMI is actually 2.0. So yeah, overall I'm very happy with this monitor. It's just that it's a bit shaky, as you can see here, and sometimes I feel like it's not exactly horizontal. Maybe it's just my thoughts, but let me know what are your thoughts on this monitor. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.